Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn alphabet writing, how to write alphabets in small letter. We'll learn from A to D. So let's get started. So first I'll take blue color. This is light blue color. And I'll write letter A. A for apple. Okay, so let's start first. First we'll start from here and we'll draw a curve like this and I will stop over here. So let's start. So this is a curve and then I'll draw a standing line from here to here. I'll join this one. So this is A for apple. Okay, this is A for apple. The next I'll use purple color to write letter B. How to write small letter B? First I have to draw a standing line from here to here like this, and then I have to draw a curve like this, joining from both the end. Okay, like this. So this is letter B in lowercase, or you can say small letter B. Okay, so now we will write letter C with yellow color. C we have to write as in capital letter. So it is also very easy. I'll start from here and end here. So I'll draw a curve like this. And here our C is ready. So C for cat, C for cat, and B for baby, B for baby. Lastly, I'll use orange color to write letter D in lowercase, or you can say small d. So first I'll start with curve. This is just the opposite of B. First we have started with the standing line, but here we'll start with the curve. So first I'll make a curve here from here to here like this, and then I'll draw a standing line like this. So here our letter D, small d, is ready. We'll practice once again. I'll take the same color as in A. So I'll first make a curve like this and a standing line. So here we have completed our letter A, small a. Next I'll take purple color, and here first I have to draw a standing line and then a curve like this. This is small b. I'll take yellow color and I'll make a curve, and hence small letter C is ready. Lastly, I'll take orange color and write letter D. First I'll make a curve like this and then a standing line. So here I have completed small letter A, B, C, D. So A for apple, B for boy, C for cat, D for dog. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, hit a thumbs up and see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.